Welcome and thank you for visiting Lincoln Electric's D1.8 Welding Resource Center. Lincoln Electric has been a leader in the arc welding industry since it began almost 100 years ago. During the last century, welding has played a vital role in the development of our nation's infrastructure through structural fabrication. From the bridges you drove over this morning to the building you're in right now, Lincoln Electric's contribution to the advancement in welding in the 20th century has made many structures possible. Today you know Lincoln is a company that stands behind its products, which we believe create the best solutions for our customers. Lincoln is also known as a leading participant in the development of national and international welding codes and guidelines.
When you look at city skylines, you see how advances in steel erection affect both the way the world looks and how we live in it. Lincoln's leadership in seismic welding code helps make structural fabrication resistant to many challenges nature can present. Because welding is essential in the construction of most all buildings and bridges, innovative welding techniques are and will continue to be critical to safer, sounder structures in seismic zones. And the leader in seismic welding solutions is Lincoln Electric. The 1994 Northridge earthquake and the research that was performed subsequent to that event permitted engineers to better understand how welded steel frame structures behave in seismic events. To make certain that this newfound knowledge was incorporated into practice, the AWS decided to issue a new welding standard to specifically address seismic issues. To lead this effort, the AWS turned to Lincoln Electric's Manager of Engineering Services, Dwayne Miller, one of the world's foremost experts in seismic welding. The subcommittee on seismic welding, with Mr. Miller as its chairman, created the standard that became the AWS D1.8 Seismic Welding Code. Mr. Miller also wrote a supplement to help fabricators understand the code available here in the D1.8 Resource Center.
To assist structural fabricators, erectors, inspectors, and specifying engineers, Lincoln Electric created this D1.8 Resource Center with tools to understand seismic welding guidelines and links to the Lincoln Electric consumables tested to meet the AWS D1.8 and FEMA 353 requirements.
The development of Lincoln Electric's D1.8 Resource Center is just one more way Lincoln sets the standard for the welding industry worldwide. That's why, for the most reliable welds in seismic zones, the structural fabrication industry chooses Lincoln.
For fabrications using the gas-shielded process, our high-quality tested ultra-core consumables meet these codes. For erectors using the self-shielded process, our select inner shield consumables have also been designed to meet the requirements of these codes.
When it comes to D1.8, Lincoln Electric helped develop the codes and solutions you need to meet them. It's one more reason why more welders around the world say, "I choose Lincoln."